I bring him up here, he barks, so that doesn't work either. All right, we got the birds coming back. Oh, we got new birds, blue jays. Don't forget to get twinkles in the movie.
So both the birdhouse and the nest are in, but
Are you rolling?
yeah.
All right, get me. Turn around, get me. Look what I got. This is Winkles, my kitty cat. It's Mr. Winkles. What do we have here? There's a mommy and daddy sparrow who live in the birdhouse. And there are bird shells in the birdhouse. The mummies laid eggs. Now what's happened is a squirrel about 3 feet above the birdhouse has begun building a nest and is in the process of building the nest right now. Where we are is Nantasket Beach in Hull, Massachusetts. The house deck overlooks the bay and the ocean is nearby. And as you can see nature at work.
Okay, so when I had the birdhouse in the picture and the squirrel just ran up, so I got both in.
And of course the mommy and daddy sparrows are a little concerned with the squirrel nest being so close to their home. They don't quite know what to do about it, except stay as close as they can, both in the house and out of the house, near the house, to protect the eggs that are inside the birdhouse. Here comes the squirrel with another twig down the tree. He's a very energetic, busy squirrel. And he dropped his twig. And he's just going to come in and do some craftsmanship on the nest. So it looks like I'll be having new neighbors for a while. And so will the sparrows. We'll all be living together. My kitty cats, Winkles and Twinkles, the friendly birdies and the friendly squirrels. A moment in time, 2017. Here he comes with a twig. If you go to the right, you get him there he is. Yeah. He's a very good nest builder. Well, I hope they get along. Maybe they'll share foods. Squirrels eat everything. Of course, the mommy and daddy birdies will need to digest the foods and regurgitate them into feeding the babies once they're born and come out of the shells. That's a big twig. Sometimes they lose them along the way. He's going to have trouble with that one. Looks like he's going to make it. Sometimes they drop them. He had to work for that one. Now our neighbor who's pulled in with his truck with a Hemi will change the sounds of things.
Okay, I'm gonna